Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Maths with Miss S. This is part 3 on multiplying fractions, and in this video we'll do a quick revision on how to multiply fractions. Now, the basic rule on multiplying fractions is if you have your fractions in front of you and you're supposed to multiply them, you multiply all your numerators with each other, put that on a new fraction line, and then put the product of all your old denominators underneath. So this also works for more than just two fractions. I haven't done an exercise on that yet, but just multiply all numerators, put it on top, and multiply all denominators, put it in the bottom. Once you have that done, check if you can simplify anything. If you can't, then multiply and write your answer down right there. Whenever you have a mixed number involved, please always change it into an improper fraction first, because otherwise you can't use that rule. So you have to multiply the number of wholes by your denominator and then add the numerator of that mixed number to that, and this forms your new numerator of that improper fraction, and you put the old denominator just underneath, and then you multiply that by 14 over 3, but you have to simplify first. So 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15 over 7 times 14 over 3, and once you have your fractions ready to go, you use your multiplication rule where you multiply your numerators, put that on a new fraction line, and put the product of the denominators underneath. Now again, always check if you can simplify. At this point you always check. So 7 is a common factor of 7 and 14, therefore when we divide by 7 we're left with 1 and 2, and 15 and 3 have the common factor 3, so if we divide here we're left with 5 and 1. So we put all that on a new fraction line. Double check now if you can simplify again. It's possible sometimes, and then once you made sure you can simplify any further, you multiply and you get your answer 10. Now, to sum it all up, whenever you have a mixed number, change it into an improper fraction first, and then all you have to do is multiply your numerators, put it over the product of your denominators, so multiply your denominators and then simplify.